Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, and if you need to find the relay for the all-wheel drive or the front differential disconnect, stay with us. We'll explain where it's located, and we will guys explain how we can test relays and find out if they're good or bad as well. All that will be covered in this video today. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage will be making at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. On Dodge Challenger we'll have even more. We'll be taking completely apart engines, transmission, we'll be fixing almost anything guys. And if you have any questions or you want to see a specific video, just drop a comment below. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. If you need to buy any parts for your Dodge, fuses, relays for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can save a ton of money. So specifically we have a 2018 Dodge Challenger here that we'll be demonstrating on. So let's go ahead and explain which relay you need to check specifically for that. So if we come right here, this is guys your fuse box. You have one notch here, one there. You squeeze those two together. You pull the lid out, pull it this way, and that layout here corresponds to what we have specifically here. We will explain guys now about the relays. You can test the relays very easily, and we'll put a link to a video that will teach you how to test the relay, and it's not very complicated at all. It will practically take you only guys a couple seconds to find out if yours is good or bad. So the relay that you will need to check is known as R40, relay number 40. So if you look at that, it will be that relay right here that you will need to check. If you want to see guys how to do that, okay, we're going to put the link how to test it, and also where you can buy a replacement relay from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. All that guys will be in the description of the video below. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.